How much is more money? This is how I think you're going to get yourself to make more money. Number one is constantly get better. Read books, seminars. We're in the age of technology. Learn all the time. Videos, books, audio, everything. Learn from good, qualified people, okay? Number two is make your work and your dreams a priority, which means, like, of course, it's when you don't make as much money, or you're not as you don't have the lifestyle that you want. You know, happiness is not just for money, but money definitely helps you, okay? Being able to pay for stuff is different than being broke. However, most people, they want to make more money. Sometimes they're willing to work. They even do the work. But there's one more piece. It's not just you. You have a family, you have friends, you have positive and negative influences. And like, if you're around negative influences all the time, or you're constantly taking life so hard, oh, I'm the only one with this breakup. Oh, I'm the only one that my kid is upset today. Oh, I'm the only one that, like, my mom passed away. If you feel like a victim all the time, it's gonna be, you could work hard and you could go to seminars, but it's gonna be hard because you're basically justifying why your life is so hard. But if you're gonna be a victor, not a victim, you're gonna say, hey, no matter what is happening, I can get myself to move ahead. Not only for myself, but for those people that are around me and for those people that are gonna watch me. Now, that means you get better for yourself, and because of that, the world becomes a little bit better because you are now your best possible self. No matter what, because rich people get divorces, poor people get divorces. Rich people have bad kids, poor people have got bad kids. Rich people don't get divorces. Rich people have good kids, poor people don't get divorces, poor people have good kids. You get it? So, like, the money doesn't matter. What matters is your focus, no matter what. The problems are gonna be there whether you're rich or poor, right? But if every time, like, two people could go through the same thing, one person goes, my life is absolutely horrible, and one person goes, that's okay, this will make me stronger. I will get better because of this. And which one of those people do you think is becomes more successful in many more areas? Probably the second one.